Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again for another FabFitFun mystery bundle unboxing. Today's bundle is 2202-MYS-030. This is an exciting bundle, a little bit different, so let's go. The first item is a Lily Sadugi velour headband, which retails for $49. Let's take a closer look. It's just a nice thick velour headband, wine colored with a top knot. Really great for holding back thick hair, I would assume. So we'll go ahead and tuck that away. We'll get these big things out of the way so I can get to these smaller tubes at the bottom. The first one is a Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, which retails for $24. And personally, I love liquid eyeshadow. I just like the smooth way it goes on. I like the staying power. I pretty much like everything about liquid eyeshadow, and bonus points for being glitter also. And I don't know if it shows up as well on camera, but it's really shimmery and pretty. And Stila is one of my favorite eye brands, so I'm definitely hyped up to see this one. It's going straight into my makeup bag. I'll use it tomorrow. The next item out is a grapefruit and yuzu burst revitalizing lip oil. Now I think this will be really good to go. I think it was during add-ons last season I got a lip scrub, and I think this will be really nice to use after the lip scrub, so I'll have to try that out the next time I do my lip scrub. Usually I opt for a lip mask, but I think that this might work even better. And it's a nice little tube, I think, if I can get it out. I sometimes really struggle with small things getting out of packages. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice small tube. It'll tuck right into my beauty care basket. I have a little basket I keep on my small table with all of my skincare. So this is perfect, and I will definitely be giving it a try. And I can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but that does retail for $16. Then the last two items are both from Faya Candles. The first one is Caribbean Salsa. We'll just pop that open. It's got like a really neat like rosette pattern on top to seal it, and it opens up. These each retail for ballpark $17 each. They're a nice soy candle, which is clean burning, and the smell is amazing. And the next scent is bergamot and grapefruit. Now these will be great for burning in my kitchen. I cook a lot, and I like to get like those cooking odors out of my kitchen when I'm done, because I don't want them just hanging around forever. So I'm a pretty firm believer in kitchen candles, and these two definitely fit the bill. So I will be putting them into the rotation, and I'm sure I will enjoy them. Well, we'll just line up this little haul. I love this bundle just because it's all stuff I will use, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as well. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.